Speaking at a news conference with his Ukrainian counterpart, Morawiecki said Poland would hand over tens of thousands of rounds of artillery ammunition, light mortars, portable air defence systems and surveillance drones. We are ready, as we have just discussed, giving Ukraine several thousand pieces of artillery ammunition and missiles, from anti-aircraft missiles and light mortars, reconnaissance drones and other defensive weaponry. Our part of Europe does not experience earthquakes or volcano eruptions. So what, if living close to a neighbour like Russia we have the feeling of living at the foot of a volcano? He called on Germany not to start Nord Stream 2 pipeline operations, saying it poses grave security risks to all of Europe. By launching Nord Stream 2, Berlin is loading Putin's pistol, which he can then use to blackmail the whole of Europe. I expect that soon we will start a new regional cooperation format between Ukraine, Poland and Great Britain. In the current circumstances and the threat of Russian aggression, signing trilateral agreements will be beneficial for regional security.